Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. As I mentioned earlier today, the deals are so fantastic at Walgreens this week that I have two different haul videos. So this is round two. If you haven't checked out my first haul, I'm gonna link that down for you in the comments. So definitely check that out. That haul was completely free. Now I have some other amazing deals for you that I snagged at Walgreens this morning as well. One of the reasons that the deals are so great and there's so many is that it's a brand new month, which means all new store coupons as well as new grocery deals. So I'm going to go through each of these deals for you. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you what I thought were the best grocery deals for the week that you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for. If you are brand new to the channel, welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I mentioned a couple of weeks ago that I have now launched my website, savingwithchristina.com. So if you haven't checked that out, I would love for you to do so, and I would love to hear your feedback. It is definitely still a work in progress, so let me know what you like, if there's anything you don't like, if you think there's something missing. Would love to get y'all's feedback. All right, let's talk about the deals. Okay, so diaper deals. A while ago, y'all asked me to show you diaper deals, even though diapers are not things that I need and buy for my family. I've been buying them to show you some amazing deals. Okay, so this week, the Huggies diapers are 2 for $21. There is a $5 digital coupon, which leaves you to pay $16. Now, a lot of you have asked me, if I have a digital coupon that's like $5 off too, will that attach to both items or can I still use a register reward? You can absolutely still use a register reward, okay? And I did. So these were 2 for $21. I had a $5 digital coupon. I used a register reward as well to lower my out-of-pocket cost. But essentially you would pay $16. You would get back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of them, then submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. My offer was for $1 back, so my final cost was $11 for both packs, or just $5.50 a pack. A little bit more expensive than my typical price point for diapers. Normally it's $5 or less for me, but I did want to share that deal with you guys. If you are brand new to Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. And always check your offers because the deals could be different. Your deal may be better. You may not have the same offers that I do, so always double check. Okay, now earlier today, I posted about the Revlon nail clippers because I had a $3 digital coupon that made it completely free. I also had a $5 digital coupon. So I grabbed 2 of these, priced at $2.29 each. I placed this as a curbside order, and that $5 digital came off, leaving me to pay $0, getting both of these Revlon, this is the toenail clippers, completely free. Now, of course, if you did that deal in store, that $5 digital coupon is not going to come off unless your total is above that $5 amount. Now, another fantastic deal is on this Aveeno body wash. These are buy one, get one half off. They're $5.99. So one will ring $5.99, one will ring $2.99. I had 2 different $2 digitals. So $4 came off, leaving me to pay $4.98. Then I submitted my receipt to the Ibotta app where I got $4 back, making my final cost just 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. If you don't have Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, this is an amazing Moneymaker deal that I have to share with you guys because if you do just one deal at Walgreens this week, this is the one you should do. Grab 3 of these Glide flosses, priced at $4 each. Clip the digital coupon for $6.50 off. You will pay $5.50 at the register. You will get $4 back in registered rewards. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get an additional $6 back, $2 for each of them, making your final cost completely free, and a $4.50 moneymaker. Amazing. Now, you do not want to do the register reward deals as curbside deals. You want to do those in store, because that's how you will get your register reward. If you do them as curbside deals, you're not going to get those $4. Okay, so definitely do them in store. And you would not want to do the $4 register reward deal for this and the same transaction, because it's only going to print one. So split these up into separate transactions. So hopefully that answered some of the questions y'all would have. Now, there's another Maybelline deal. I mentioned the foundation deal in my first video. Now let's talk about the eyebrow pencil deal. I have these upside down. Okay, so these are $7.99 each, but they're buy one, get one half off. So $7.99, $3.99. See if you have a $7 digital. You would pay $4.98. Submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you're gonna get $4 back. I then submitted my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, where I'm getting $1.50 back for spending $10, making them both completely free, and a 52-cent moneymaker. Okay, the candy bars. So in my first video, I grabbed 3 Crunch bars. I wanted to let you know that deal on Swag Bucks, where you buy 3 and you get $3 back, is a limit of 3 per week. Okay, so you could get up to 9 candy bars completely free. So I grabbed Crunch bars in my first video. I grabbed Baby Ruth in this video. So 99 cents each. You'll pay $2.98. Submit your receipt to the Swag Bucks app and you'll get $3 back, making them all free. The Blink eye drops. These are $7.49. There is a $3 manufacturer digital as well as a $4 store digital. Those will stack together. That leaves your final cost just 49 cents for these eye drops. Now, the Scott toilet paper. So these are $5 regular price. There is a $1 manufacturer digital coupon as well as a $1.25 store coupon. Again, those will stack together, leaving your final cost to be just $2.75. Now, don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because Scott is one of their brands, so you'll get some points back for purchasing the toilet paper from Fetch as well. Now, let's talk about some cleaning products. Each of these products here, the Fabuloso wipes, the Palmolive dish detergent, and the Fabuloso liquid, they're all $2.49. There is a $1 digital coupon for each of these products. So if any of these are products that you like, do the deals individually. They will each come out to be $1.49 total. Not a bad price for those items, and especially if you're working on like a spend 20 get 5, if you have a digital booster, those could be some good items to add into that haul. Okay, I think that's everything except for the food. So this was exciting because these taco shells online, they're a little bit cheaper than in store. So online, the price was $2.59. So I placed this as a curbside order. They are buy one, get one free. That means I paid $1.29 per box of taco shells. Now, they also have taco seasoning, priced at $1.29. Also, buy one, get one free, just current sale promotion. So that would mean 64 cents each. The enchilada sauce is $2.79. Buy one, get one free, leaving you to pay $1.39 per can. And you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for any of that. So that's a great way to reduce your grocery budget for the week or for the month. A couple other deals that I saw that you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for as far as your groceries go. The Prego pasta sauce is buy one, get one half off. They're priced at $2.49. So if you buy 2 of them, your cost will be $3.73 or just $1.86 each. I also noticed that the Pringles were on sale, 3 for $4, so you could grab 3 of those and use $4 in Walgreens cash to pay, leaving you to pay nothing out of pocket. The last deal I want to tell you about is if you happen to need some laundry detergent. The Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is $7.49, but it's buy one, get 2 free. So you get 3 for $7.49, but that leaves your final cost to be just $2.49 per bottle. So if you need laundry detergent, great deal there, and you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for it. If you're not doing a spend booster, you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for any of the deals that I just mentioned. Okay? You could also use register rewards to reduce your out-of-pocket cost on any of the deals that I just mentioned. As long as you're not trying to use like your $4 register reward you got from this to pay for this one that also gives that $4 register reward, you would not want to do that. So as long as you're not doing that, you're fine to use register rewards to pay for any of these deals. Now, if you have questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below, and definitely check out my first haul where there were lots of freebies and money makers in there as well. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.